Hi guys, I'm here with
Elena.
And Jess.
Okay, you guys look great today. Walk me through your fits, tell me how much everything costs.
Okay, this jacket, I got it in Paris for $90 at a vintage store. Both of these off Depop forever ago, probably like $20 each. Poople's bag, I think like $200. And then Aloha's boots, which are my favorite and also about $200. And jewelry I got in souks in Morocco and Tunisia. So I don't know, I haggled them down.
What about you, Jess?
Ford jacket, some old dude's Beacon's Closet, $20. Gifted Urban Outfitters skirt, $200 Salomons, $10 Victoria's Secret vintage bralette off eBay. Rings, vintage, Mexican market, Mexican designers are at like $100 each. And then this bag was $60, it's Gramici. This hat was free, I found it on the street. Oh, and then this is my favorite thing. It's a necklace made from Australian opals and it was about $300.
Could we see the back of the jacket too?
Oh,
I just
yeah.
want to see. Wow, that's so sick. How do you guys dress for your height?
I think for me, it just comes down to a lot of research. I'm constantly looking up the inseam on like pants and jackets, 34, 35 inch inseam. And I love like long dresses. Jumpsuits are fun too because I am so tall.
I'm 5'1", so a good tailor is a must. I hem everything I buy. I like silhouette, so I'm quite tiny, so anything that's really oversized has to fit very specifically or I look like a little boy. So it's really just figuring out and playing around with what suits your silhouette.
Walk me through your fit and tell me how much everything costs.
I have no idea actually, but Montclair Fragment Converses, you know. I got some Reese Cooper pants on and the jacket as well. I got my Mike shirt.
Whoa.
I thrifted it a long time ago, you know. I look like SpongeBob under here. I got a little tie on, which I don't know where it's from. And then this hat right here, I got it from a fan at a show that I just played recently.
No way. Do you know her Instagram?
I think the brand handle is omnific, like .la.
I am here with
Keltiey.
Okay, Keltiey, walk me through the fit. Tell me how much everything costs.
This is from Rogue. I don't know how much it costs. This is from Rogue as well. BB Bell. Emma's personal collection. Wig by Shay. And the earmuffs from the stylist.
Yes. What's your least favorite fashion trend right now?
I'm really sick of seeing those tights and those shorts with the little scrunch in the back.
Oh,
those doesn't
yeah.
look right.
What are you most looking forward to wearing this spring?
I don't know yet. I just thrift everything, so like I just don't know what fit I'm gonna wear next.
Do you have any styling tips you would give?
People are gonna have opinions at the end of the day, so just wear what you wanna wear.
I'm here with.
Cozy.
Been slacking.
Victor.
Okay, guys, walk me through your fits and tell me how much everything costs.
The hat's free. Glasses, 400. The jacket, I think it's like a band. 120 on the chains, 2 bands on the denim, a band on the shoes.
What about the backpack?
Oh, the Halco special.
Ends.
Yeah, the ends RP 300.
This is like $1,500. The $120 best chain on earth. Adidas, Balenciaga, little turtleneck, $400. These pants, I think they're like $1,500. The boots are also $1,500. $10 gloves, $1,700 trash bag.
I got this hat I got in Morocco, $5. Vetma jacket, $600 from Japan. Phenomenon hoodie, this is $80. Poland soccer scarf from Amazon for $20. These are the chains. Rhino dick pill, $120. Dead OK shirt, $30. Some John Paul Gaultier denim, super long denim, $250. Uggs from eBay, probably like $40. And the cat backpack, $30.
What made you guys want a twin today?
This is my twin.
Yeah, this is my twin.
And I'm third wheeling.
What's your least favorite fashion trend right now?
Hating Balenciaga.
It's gotta be those emoji chains everyone be wearing.
Yeah, they're pissing me off.
I would never wear one.
I was gonna see the furry bags and the terrible gloves with
Like
the words
all
on them
the
and shit.
bad words on them.
Yeah, I hate those.
Those gotta
How about
go.
the t-shirts with the bad words on them?
Walk me through your fit. Tell me how much everything costs.
The shoes are Rick Owens Doc Martens. They were about $350, $400. The shorts are Carhartt Work in Progress, $40. I got them on sale. And the top is a Cydney original. I made it, printed front and back.
Oh, so cute. And I'm also wearing a Cydney X Rogue original. Walk me through your fit and tell me how much everything costs.
My pants, they're thrifted, so I'm not sure. I got them for like $15. Belt thrifted, probably like $1. Tarek 1 jacket, nice and furry. I got it for like $120. And then this Vanson jacket, I actually got it today for $120.
Very nice. The necklace
Oh,
is super cool.
Yeah,
Where's it from?
Marc Jacobs. Yeah, it's heaven.
Who's on it?
Oh, it's like the melting girl necklace.
And then classic Converse. Can't go wrong.
Converse from the bins.
What's your least favorite fashion trend right now?
I know this is really popular right now, but like the blazers with no pants.
Oh,
and then,
tights and like a buttoned blazer?
Yeah.
How did I not see that yet?
I mean, cute.
All right.
but
I mean,
in dark lighting, it can be cute, like a little
yeah, like in a club.
indoor.
In this 30-degree weather, no.
I think she's from New York too, so I was like,
Oh.
I was like, I can't.
But look, that's the cool thing about fashion. Everyone can
No,
express
yeah.
themselves.
No, I respect it. I just don't know if it's for me.